Good morning. My name is Mark Ball. I'm Vet Sports on eBay.com. That's VETSPTS. I'm a relatively new breaker, but last night we ended two cases. 2014 Topps Chrome football, and the second case was 2014 Upper Deck SPX football. They were both half case breaks. So this recap is going to be for the Upper Deck SPX, which was a 4-box break, and the random for this one, we did have 3 multi-team cards. The random for the one card has already been sent out to everybody that was in the break. The second two, one had a majority owner, and the other one, the guy actually had both teams. So that's why you only seen the one card being random off. Anyway, starting off, I'm going to go with the die cuts. These were the retro SPX die cuts. LaDainian Thomason, Vikings Teddy Bridgewater, Panthers Kelvin Benjamin, Bears David Falls, Patriots Jimmy Garoppolo, Colts Andrew Luck, Marquise Lee, Jaguars Blake Bortles. These are also die cut, but these were the actual the SPX version. Okay. I'm getting a glare. Okay. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Patriots, Jimmy Garoppolo. Bears, Kadeem Carey. Also the Bears, David Files. Okay. We had parallels, and starting off we had, let me see, let me grab this right. Okay, here we go. I like doing these in order. So anyway, going backwards from 990, serial number 99, getting to 999, Tim Brown, Broncos John Elway. These are serial numbered out of 799. And then for the Texans, Tom Savage. Vikings, Teddy Bridgewater. Colts, Dante Moncrief. Then you had Eric Ebron. Brandon Cooks. Marquise Lee. Kelvin Benjamin. Raiders Derek Carr. Then we had one serial numbered out of 99. Dan Marino, Dolphins. And then we had this one, Spectrum, serial numbered out of 10. That's Peyton Manning. Okay. Going off the rookie autos. Okay, Brandon K. TJ Jones. And these are serial numbered out of 299. Anthony Barr. And Brandon Coleman. And let me show you something real quick that I was noticing when I sleeved this yesterday. This is a sticker autograph. If you look right there, look like it got some sort of dirt up underneath the sticker, so it's in between the sticker and the card itself. Okay, so you might want to, when you get that, you might want to contact Upper Deck, see about getting a replacement. But that's exactly how it came out of the pack. We had one die cut rookie auto, and that's one was serial numbered out of 25, and that's Taylor Lewan. Okay, we had 4 jumbo rookie relics, or actually, they're not rookies. Not all rookies, let's put it that way. Broncos, John Elway. Wonder if anybody remembers this guy, Bo Jackson. And you got Mike Evans. And then this rookie right here, Johnny Manziel. And that's for the Browns. And then we start getting into the combos and the auto relics. And the first one, these are serial numbered out of 425. Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers. Giants, Andre Williams. I don't know. Is this guy any good? Just joking. It's Odell Beckham for the Giants. And then the final one was Logan Thomas. We had one triple relic. Again, one of my participants had 2 out of the 3. You had Earl Campbell, which was for the Oilers, which became the Titans. You had Eddie George, who was also with the Titans. And then Thurman Thomas for the Bills. Then you had one dual relic here, Zach Mettenberger for the Titans and Aaron Murray. Okay, and that was for the Chiefs. And then this is the one that had to be random off. Serial numbered out of 25. Dan Marino for the Dolphins and Jerry Rice for the 49ers. That card is going to the owner of the 49ers. And again, see my random link that I'd already sent out. Nice 3 color on that Jerry Rice, and it's just barely 2 colors on that Dan Marino. If you look, let's see, if you look right there, you see the white and the gold. Okay, this concludes my recap for the 2014 Upper Deck SPX for the football. Again, this was a 4-box half case break. Please check out my Facebook group, Ball Breakers. I will send that link out as well. This will have any updating information as far as upcoming breaks, participation as far as a forum to let me know what type of product. I'll also be posting pictures to these cards that was pulled out of each break, so there'll be an archive of that as well. But feel free to check out my future auctions. Again, that's VETSPTS on eBay.com. And again, I appreciate everybody's participation and quick payment. Thank you.